When designing in CorelDRAW, we generally work with two important color models, RGB and CMYK. RGB is mainly used for digital output, such as websites, social media, presentations, and other designs that will be viewed on screens. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. These three colors of light are combined at different intensities to create the wide range of colors we see on digital screens. On the other hand, when we are designing for print, we generally use the CMYK color model. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. These colors are used as printing inks to reproduce colors on paper and other printed materials. Now, when we open a new document in CorelDRAW, you can see that the RGB color palette is visible by default. Let's see how we can display the CMYK color palette alongside the RGB palette. Go to the window menu. Then select Dockers, and from here click on Palettes. Now enable the CMYK color palette. As you can see, both RGB and CMYK color palettes are now visible together. This makes it very easy to compare colors while designing. For example, let's look at the cyan color. This is the cyan color from the RGB palette, which is intended for digital output. And this is the cyan color from the CMYK palette, which is intended for printing. Let's compare another color. Here is the red from the RGB palette, and this is the corresponding color from the CMYK palette. You can see that there is a difference between them as well. The same applies to green and many other colors. So, while designing in CorelDRAW, it is important to first consider where your final design will be used. If your design is going to be used on a website, social media, or another digital platform, RGB is generally the better choice. But if your design is going to be printed, CMYK is generally more appropriate. And by keeping both palettes visible, you can easily compare and select the colors you need during your design process.